Well, this song is titled, you know what I mean, Revolution. This song was originally done by Chase Chapman in her early career, you know.
Mama, papa, sister, brother, look yeah, look yeah.
Well, nature is about spreading positive music to the world.
We gotta change it, yeah. Don't you know?
Positive music has always been recorded, you know, all over the years. Bob Marley, you know, and Wailer, Bunny Wailer, you know, Chase Chapman, and all these people, you know, the list goes on and on and on and on and on.
Standing in the voting lines, right on the doorsteps of those so-called politicians.
Nature, right now, the eye, is about continuing this positive trend through music.
Waiting on attention, don't you know? Talking about a revolution sound.
The Most High God endorse, you know. So it's all about positive vibration through I&I music, through nature music.
Government, you better wise up. Give the people their share. Ooh yeah. Don't let the people rise up and defend what is theirs. Oh yeah. Too much blood, run, yeah, yeah. Too much blood, run.
It's a revolution, and you can see all kind of things going on around the world. It's not, and this song is to I&I. It's not about a physical revolution pertaining to guns and bombs and not that type of revolution I'm talking about. I'm talking about right now. We as a people.